In this video, we're going to create a graph within different cells that we have using Microsoft Excel. And what I mean by this is we will be able to show the lowest and the highest values for all these cells. First of all, you need to select all these cells. Then you need to click on Conditional Formatting. Then you will click on Data Bars. And then with these data bars, you've got your different values. So in order for these data bars to be off of each column's values, we're going to just select this column, and then we have the data bars here. So let's have this one be red for the weight. Then we have our dry break. So we'll have this be a green. And then our wet break will be blue. Alright, so now we have like our lowest to highest values. So then we can look at each bar and see its corresponding value. So there you go. You can create a graph within your own cells on Microsoft Excel.